studying in 5th class. Explaining Ramanamalu. A for Ayodhya Rama, B for Bhargava Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, E for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishwara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Hanumana Rama, I for Havinaya Rama, J for Janaki Rama, K for Kausalya Rama.